Hi, I'm Scott from Life Raft and Survival Equipment, and today we're going to talk about some of the items that we have on display here in our showroom. So a lot of these items on the wall you can put into a ditch bag. A lot of the races require a ditch bag per life raft, and just as a boater you should have a ditch bag in conjunction with your life raft. So some of the items that we would recommend for the ditch bag would be a first aid kit, which we do have on the wall here. We deal specifically with adventure medical kits, and they range from the small side all the way up to much larger kits. So a first aid kit is definitely a must-have for a ditch bag. Other items that you'd probably want to put in the ditch bag are flashlights. We also have glow sticks. These are very inexpensive, effective for signaling or just to illuminate the life raft. We also have Datrex thermal protective aids. So this will protect you from hypothermia. They're lightweight and they don't take up too much space in the bag. Other important items to put into your ditch bag would be food rations, and we do sell these individually. And we also have emergency drinking water pouches. So you come in, pick how many pouches you want, and we can heat seal these into a plastic bag and put it in the ditch bag for you. We also have signaling devices, which would be like whistles and dye markers. So we do have a large supply of dye markers in stock. These you basically just throw it in the water and you will get a huge oil slick, a bright green oil slick for search and rescue to find you. We also have whistles, Fox 40. That's a good item to put in there. And we also have this new item. It's called the Seal water filter. So this is sort of a replacement for your manual water maker, the pump style. So what this is a mesh bag that comes with 3 different pouches. And you would put the pouches into the mesh bag and then hang it into the salt water. And this will actually turn salt water into fresh water. And it's $32. It's a very inexpensive way to get drinking water if you are out at sea. So now that we've gone there, we need to choose a ditch bag. And ACR does have 2 styles. This is the RapidDitch Bag Express. This is the smaller side, and it does float. It's high visibility green, and it does have a pouch on the side for your EPIRB. If you want to upgrade to a bigger ditch bag, we have the RapidDitch Bag, and same deal. It's the high visibility green, has a pouch for your EPIRB, and it's well marked, so it's easy to find the EPIRB. And there's a lot of space in here, so you can fill this up with food rations, water, first aid kits, almost anything that you can think of that's on this wall. We also have Sta-Plugs, and these are foam plugs that you can use to plug up any holes that are in the boat, through hull fittings. These you can cut, they're ribbed, so you can actually cut them where you want, and these will seal up any holes that are in the boat. And we also go with the standard wooden plug set. So these are also really good at plugging up holes that you may have in the boat. Another very important part of a ditch bag is some sort of distress beacon. This is an ACR V4. It has a 10-year battery, and you could put this into your ditch bag right in the side here. If you're in a situation where you need to call for help, what you would do is activate the EPIRB by sliding your switch and then pressing your on button, and this will strobe and it will send the signal out to the Coast Guard, and they'll send search and rescue out. So this is an important part of the ditch bag as well. You can go a little bit smaller and go with a personal locator beacon, which is also made by ACR. And this personal locator beacon works the same way as an EPIRB. It's a little bit different in the registration process. This is registered to you as a person, whereas the EPIRB is registered to a vessel. So when you activate an EPIRB, the information that they receive has a lot of your vessel information. The PLB basically has your name, address, and any emergency contact numbers that they need to reach. It's as easy as flipping up the antenna and then pressing the button, and then you just wait from there. This will strobe, and this new version does have an infrared strobe on there. So if they are searching for you at night, they'll pick up the infrared strobe really well. Another item that you want to put in your ditch bag, and it would probably be one of the first items you want to take out if you're in a life raft and you have the ditch bag, is grab your seasick tablets. You want to take care of any sort of seasickness issues straight away. So you'd grab the seasick pills and just take them. Even if you're not prone to seasickness, it's always good to take them just to avoid any issues down the road. If you'd like, we can put together a ditch bag for you with a list of items that we have pre-selected. The offshore pack does contain quite a bit of items. You do have a VHF radio. We do include the EPIRB and a bunch of other items that you'll also be able to find on our website. If you'd like to order one of these ditch bags, you can contact us at lrsc.com. You can email info@lrsc.com as well, or you can give us a call at 401-816-5400.